Little ball parrot sat in a garage eating toast and tea. Little ball parrot sat in a garage eating toast and tea. Little brown mouse jumped into the house, stolen all bread away. Little brown mouse jumped into the house, stolen all bread away. Yes, children, good morning. How are you all? Yes, hope you are doing very great. So, did you understand why did I sing this rhyme? Can you guess? With what I started? I sang a rhyme about parrot. Am I right? Yes. So, parrot started with which letter? It is P, right? So, our lesson for today is letter P. Let's get started. Yes. I welcome you all for Melu classroom. Yes, children. Can you see P letter on the panel? Yes. Come with me. What is this? Uppercase P and this one is lowercase p. Uppercase P and lowercase p. And what does it sound? P. P sounds P. P sounds P. And now let us see few words that start with letter P. Okay, children? See here. It's a utensil, right? You can find this in your kitchen. What is this? Pan. 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 And this is a fruit. Am I right, children? Green color fruit, and it looks like guava, but it is different fruit. It is called pear. 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 And what is this? It's a pot, right? There is some tree. There is a tree planted. There is a flower plant planted in the pot. There is a flower plant potted in the plant. There is a flower plant in the pot. 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 And what is this? It's a pond. Pond. Okay, it's a water body, a small water body with stagnant water. Okay, children, it doesn't move anywhere. There will not be any flow, but it is a stagnant water. It is a water body which is called pond. And this is a vegetable. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. And there is a sentence as usual. Let us see that. Mr. Pumpkin threw pear and pan in the pot. I will read it for you one more time. Mr. Pumpkin threw pear and pan in the pot. So, what did pumpkin do, children? It threw. What it threw? It threw pear and pan. Where it threw? In the pot. Now, let us see few more words that start with letter P. Pigeon. Pigeon. Pigeon is a bird. Popcorn. Popcorn. You like it, right? Yes. Peacock. Peacock. Peacock is our national bird, children. Paper bag. Paper bag. Power. Power. Pour. Yes. So we have learnt few words that start with letter P. Am I right? So you keep reading all the words every day. Now it's time for a rhyme. Yes, children, are you ready for the rhyme? Yes. Which rhyme I'm going to tell you, you know? A rhyme on popcorn. Yes. P for popcorn. Am I right? Yes. No. Now tell me what you do when you bring a popcorn packet to home from shop. You will cut it and pour everything in a vessel. Am I right? And where did you keep that? Where do you keep that? You will keep on a fire, on a gas stove. Yes? And then you will light the stove. And after some time, what you do? You will shake it a bit, right? You will shake the vessel. Then you can hear the noise of popping the popcorn. Am I right? So this rhyme is talking about this story, how they pop in the vessel. Okay? Right. So you listen to me, then sing along with me. Popcorn, 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 popcorn. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Bam, 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 bam. Popcorn, 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 popcorn. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Bam, 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 bam. Now it's getting hot. Now it's getting hot. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Pop, 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 pop. Popcorn, popcorn. Yes. How did you like, children? Yes, it is something like what we do with the popcorn by the time we pour into the vessel to getting popcorn into our bowl. Yes? Right. Now it's time for writing. So what you do? You should bring your book and pencil. Which book? Yes, it's a 4-rule book. Yes, children, I am ready with my 4-rule book and we are about to write new words that start with letter P along with the phonetic sounds and by dividing into syllables. Yes, the first word that we are going to learn is popcorn. Okay, children, popcorn. So this word can be divided into 2 syllables. The first one is pop and the second is corn, right? So let us understand the first syllable, that is pop. So what all sounds included, children? Pa, a, p. Pa, a, p. So shall we write pa, a, p? Which letters sounding these sounds? Yes. Let us write the first syllable, that is pa, a, p. Right? So the first sound is p. Which letter sounds p? It is P. So write P. And second sound is A. O sounds A. And the last sound in the first syllable is again P. So P sounds P. We are done with the first syllable, that is pop. And the second syllable is corn. Right? Corn. So what all sounds included, children? Ka, a, r, n. So let us write the first sound, that is K. Which letter sounds K? C. And the second sound is A. Which letter sounds A? Yes, it is O. And the third sound is R. R sounds R. And the last sound in the second syllable is N. So which letter sounds N, children? Yes, it is N. Now read with me. Popcorn. Popcorn. Yes, hope you are getting how to write the words with phonetic sounds by this time. Am I right, children? Yes, so you keep practicing in the same way. The second word that we are going to learn is pond. pond. So need not to divide into any syllables, but we need to identify the sounds. So let us do that first. Pa, a, n, d. Pond. Pa, a, n, d. Pond. Now let us write the letters along with the sounds. So first sound is P. Which letter sounds P? Yes, it is P. And the second sound is A. O sounds A. And the third sound is N. So yes, we know that N sounds N. And the last sound is D. Which letter sounds D, children? It is D. Pond. Okay? Pond. Pond. Yes, now we are done with the second word also. Now let us move on to third word, that is pot. Pot. This also a short word and need not to divide into any syllables. Just need to identify the sounds. Pa, a, t. Pa, a, t. Pot. Yes. So let us write the first sound, that is P. Which letter sounds P? It is P. And the second sound is A. O sounds A. Then the last sound is T. T sounds T. So the word has completed. Pot. 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 Now the last word is pumpkin. Pumpkin. Pumpkin can be divided into two syllables. The first one is pump. Second one is kin. Okay, children? So let us write the first syllable by identifying the sounds. So when you are saying pump, what all sounds included? P, a, m, p. Pump. P, a, m, p. Pump. Right? Let us write the first sound, that is P. P sounds P. And the second sound is A. Which letter sounds A? Yes, it is U. Now the third sound is M. Which letter sounds M? Yes, it is M. And the last sound in the first syllable is again P. So we should write P. Now we will move on to second syllable, that is kin. Okay, there we can identify three sounds. K, I, N. K, I, N. So K sounds K, right? K. And which letter sounds E? It is I. And the last sound is N. Which letter sounds N? It is N. Okay, children? So we have completed 4 words. By using the phonetic sounds and divide into syllables, we are able to write them. Yes? So let us read now. Popcorn. Popcorn. Pond. Pond. Pot. Pot. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Yes, children? Yes, I hope you are understanding how to write the words by using phonetic sounds. Right. So what is your job now, children? Yes, you have to keep reading and writing. So do not miss on single day also. Okay, children? Now let us move on to activity. Yes, children, I am ready with the activity. And we are going to do paper bag. What we are going to do? Paper bag. Okay. Now what we need? We need one paper A4 size of any color. Two thin strips. Two thin paper strips. Scissors and glue. Okay children, these all we need to do an activity. I will repeat one more time. We need a A4 paper of your favorite color. Two thin paper strips. We need a scissors and we need glue. Now let us see how to do a paper bag. But why we need this paper bag? We found many covers outside, right? Polythene covers. But what is the need to make a paper bag, children? This we should know it, okay? Right, I will tell you why. The polythene cover doesn't decompose into the soil. It comes up as a pollution, which is very dangerous to human life or any other living animals, children. Living animals, birds, living organisms, okay? So to avoid that pollution, we should always use paper bags instead of polythene bags, okay? Paper will easily decompose into the soil, okay? It is a natural product because it comes from the bark of the trees. So trees are nature, yes? So from that raw material we are going to do a paper. So that is the reason paper has inbuilt quality of decomposing itself into the soil. So it doesn't give any harm or it doesn't pollute the environment, children. So that is the reason we should always use paper bags instead of polythene covers. Now let us see how to do that paper bag. Okay, are you all ready? Yes. Yes children, now I am ready with all the requirements and you listen to me carefully. Step by step I am going to tell you. Now fold this paper into more than half like this. Okay children? See, this little portion you can again fold it. And now we need to apply glue here. So we have applied glue. Then the down portion should be folded a bit to upward direction. Okay. You need not to paste now. Now form a triangle by taking one corner and the other corner also. See, can you see two triangles, children? Yes. Just fold it, press it properly. Now open them. Open this folded portion also. Now fold like this to the inward direction. Same way on the other side also. Now fold this upper portion to center, down portion also to center. Now you can apply little glue to paste this. Yes. Now we are done with the lower portion of the paper bag. Now just lift it up and put your hand to make it free. Open carefully. Just press with your finger to get a proper shape. Now it is able to sit like this. Children, now we need a handle. Am I right? Yes. So these paper strips I am using as handles. So we need to paste here. Apply some glue. And paste it. On the two sides. Do the same thing with the other strip also. Yes, children, our paper bag is ready to use. Okay, did you like it? Right. Right, children, after the hands-on activity, this is our final product, paper bag, right? I'm going for a shopping by taking this. Yes. So you can also make this kind of paper bags and use instead of polythene covers, children. This doesn't harm the environment and good for all the living creatures on the earth. Okay, now we have come to an end of the session, but before that we have to have a quick recap. Am I right? Yes. Now we will do that. First we have identified the letter and understood the sound of the letter. Yes, and we have seen some words that start with letter P. Then we have learned one rhyme and we went into writing. Then finally we have done a hands-on activity. Am I right, children? Yes. Now your job is to keep reading and writing every day. Then bye for now. I am going to see you in the next class.